Did you know Excel can pull livestock prices completely for free? No paid APIs, no plugins, and no manual copying from Google? In the next 60, most investors waste valuable time manually typing stock prices into Excel every single day, and those numbers go stale the moment you enter them. First, open Excel and type your stock ticker symbols into a column. For example, type AAPL in cell A2, MSFT in A3, and TSLA in A4. Next, select. Once Excel converts your tickers to the stocks data type, you extract any field using a simple formula like equals A2.price. That is it. You can replace price with change. Look at that. Your spreadsheet now shows live prices, percentage changes, and market caps all updating automatically without you typing a single number. This turns a step. You just learned how to pull livestock prices into Excel for free using the built-in stocks data type. No subscriptions, no code, just